No, what, you've never had a Twix bar before?
I'm fine with 10-foot. Listen, let me explain something.
So it's me, Dr. Phil, and you know all about me. You know where I'm from, and you know.
I said soft drink.
Why is that not soft? It's not like
Bad
Hey,
breath.
you got the gig. You got the gig next, right?
That's right. Yeah. You guys ready to play the? And I
Like we have a pit soup?
I guess if it was half Shih Tzu and half Pit Bull, it'd be...
Tootsie came out in the 80s.
Oh, okay. Macho women are ugly. Ugly women are macho.
And I don't want to get into it.
How do you know she had a dream?
She told me.
He's good. Are your chairs broken?
No, I just don't have any lighting in the other place.
He had bad breath, though. I know, God rest his soul, but he had bad breath.
Hey, you got.
I really enjoy 7-Up. Someone who probably smells just, like $1 million.
Night meatball, sweet and sour garlic bread.
Boy, killing it for you, boy. Killing it. Of being our essence, but our physical formation, right, changes. It's temporal. But boy, killing it for you, boy. Killing it.